How do you know you have the right photographer? The right photographer will be someone that helps you through the whole process, not just on the day. The photographer is there to guide you. I have done over 1,000 weddings. I know the good, the bad, and the ugly. I've seen it all. I know what works. I know what doesn't work. And one of the things that work is a photographer that can help you, a photographer that can guide you. So your photographer needs to help you with your timeline. The photographer needs to assist you when you have questions. If your photographer has only done 5 weddings, they won't be able to help you. Now, I have a lot of respect for people that starting photography and they need to learn and do weddings. But the only way you get to be a good photographer and a pro photographer is if you put in the hours and you learn and you guide your brides to do the right thing. So the right photographer is someone that will help you, that you can lean on, that you can ask questions, and especially on the day, you need someone that can take over if something goes wrong. You need someone that can help you make decisions. That's what we do. I'm more than just a photographer. I'm your wedding planner, everything in one. I'm your BFF. A lot of brides and families vent on me and they tell me about all their problems. I can be your psychiatrist also. So yes, I help a lot and I do a lot to make your day amazing. Have fun.